Good morning. My name is Sebastian, and this is a complete how-to video or a help video on how to do things with Tiny Floor Plan. As you can see, Tiny Floor Plan is a floor plan maker uh, web site or application. There is nothing tiny about it. I just found the name pleasing, like saying Tiny Floor Plan, because anyone can do it. Like the name suggests, it's very easy to use, very intuitive, and you'll be able to make a floor plan within 5 minutes of whatever that comes in your head into a proper export of the whole thing to your a builder or an engineer, whoever you want to send it to, even your family. So this is the whole idea that I built it. I built something like this for my personal use as a toolkit, as a backend, so that I can actually take printouts of the floor plans that comes to my head for my personal projects. But I thought I'll just develop it into a proper web application, and launch it to the web and let other users experience it and maybe make a couple of bucks from it. So this is the site. The whole website works based off credit system. You get credits when you actually register, and certain things cost credits. So you can actually see what are all the different things the credits are used for, how you gain it. You can also earn credits from it. So you can actually almost run how many other projects you want for free altogether, based on referrals and projects that you build, which you actually post to public. And if someone else copies the project, you get a credit. If someone is referred by you, you get a credit, something like that. You can actually see the whole thing in the credits page, and you will also be able to buy credits from this page. And there is also a publicly available demo for this, the whole editor. You can actually see how the editor works. I've built a proper demo system where you can actually experience the whole editor. You will not be able to see the 3D mode in this. There is an excellent 3D mode implemented. You will not be able to see it in this. It is only for demonstration purposes for the editor, basic editor things. You will not be able to export stuff. You will still be able to save whatever the design that you have into your account. That is useful. So let's just go back. So now we are in the dashboard. When you actually register for the first time, you will be given 50 credits. 5 credits, and you can use that 5 credits to create a new project. This is a blank space without any project so far. So let's just get started. I will just create a demo project, a floor plan for you to look at all the different features so that I can explain how everything works. Let's get started. So for the new project, let's just name it for cube demo. Cube, it's not tub. Demo plan. I'm from India, so I work with feet because automatically it comes in my head. So the project has been created. In the dashboard itself, you'll be able to see the referral link with which you can actually earn your credits. And in the settings page, you will be able to change your username, not username, but your password, your display name, and you'll be able to see the transaction that has been happening in your account. So since I've created a project, I have lost the 5 credits that I was supposed to see when I registered for an account. So let's just go in. This is the editor. As you can see, there is a small demo flow that showcases different area of the editor. And okay, so this is the blank canvas. You can change this anytime. Right now, the canvas is set to a letter size, and you can actually change it for A4 and legal. These are the different paper sizes that we have determined are used in most cases. If you go to A4, let's just go to A4 because that's pretty much the size that we use for printouts and stuff. That's a regular printer size which is available for printouts. Once you've selected it, uh, the first thing I would usually prefer to do is I will figure out what exactly is my uh, plot size or the area size for which I need to actually build the floor plan for. You have a underlay system, underlay overlay system, which is basically you can upload your hand drawings and it will underlay overlay based on your preference, and you will be able to trace over it. I will explain it in the next video, but right now we're just gonna freestyle it for the whole thing. First thing I'd like to do is use a calibration tool to set the size. Let's just say I have a plot size of 30 to 40. That is usually what the plot sizes are sold for, like 1,200 square feet. Let's just say 30 to 40 is what I have. So let's just say uh, the 40 is in the lengthy side for the A4 size. So I will set 40 as a calibration distance. I'll start calibrate, and I will actually say that this is actually the 40. Once that is done, the calibration is done and it is applied. All the calculation for the whole platform is done. So let's just start building. There are many dynamic tools that we have developed for this platform. First one is, I mean, when it comes to rooms, it's all built up of different rooms, right? Halls, bedrooms, toilets, bathrooms, common bathrooms. These are all made up of rooms. So you can either start building a room from the beginning, or you can just build lines and they make rooms. They build walls and they automatically make rooms. Let me show you how room sizing is done. I mean, room is created. This is a room, and you can actually build this and becomes a room. It's basically very simple to use. This is a room tool, but you need to actually end a room, right? So this is a room tool. Let's just delete it. The whole platform is built with undo, redos. Everything is done for you. There is also something called this room by size. So I have a room which is, let's just say, 9 by 6 or 9 by 10, and wall thickness is actually 9, which 9 feet, not feet, is like. And you just select it, and the room is placed I mean, I've just mentioned it as, since I mentioned it as 1 feet in thickness, it will just make it into 9 inches, I think. Yeah. This is perfect. So this is how you do room by size. I mean, I can see that all the icons are the same when it comes to rooms. I will just change it in the next update. And the other thing we have is basically floor shape. You have multiple different sizes of floor shapes that you can actually pick from. And let's just say I pick this, use this shape, and it is there. So you can edit every aspect of this particular room from here. Let's just say I want to change the room thickness, all that stuff is done here. The basic tool that I recommend that you use, that I've built to the fullest, fully working, fullest condition, is the wall tool. That is the whole platform works on wall first basis. Let's just say I've already calibrated the canvas in the editor to 40 feet. So this canvas actually has 40 by 30 or whatever. So first, let me actually go to the measurement tool. This is a measurement tool, and I will actually draw 40 feet and another one, let's just say on top for reference, and 29.87. Okay, this is done. Now, let's just say I have a floor plan or house plan for 40 by 30. So I will just go start from here. It's 2987. It's 40. You can see that I can actually snap everything to grade. Perfect. So this is the whole plot area. Okay. So we will forget about the room name right now. What we'll do is we will actually start building the whole floor plan. Then we'll figure out how the walls are going to work. So let's just say we have two rooms in this. Let me get a label and we'll just say two rooms attached with dash bath and then and we'll also need a car parking. I mean, I'm just winging it. There is no specific. Uh, there is, yeah, there is no vastu or anything that I'm considering right now. I'm just building a floor plan that I like personally. So, first floor. I mean, the layout is done, as in the plot area has been configured. Let's just start building the room. Uh, I hope this is uh, two rooms. I think 10 by 10. This is room one. We'll build another room which will connect here. And I make it a bit smaller. I think 9 by 10 is okay. So what I will do is I will just move it a little bit down. The whole thing, I can just select the room and then drag it down because I want to make this bathroom a little bit a bigger bathroom and a toilet. We'll just split here and no 2.63 is too small, right? So we'll just select this wall and we will just move it. Yeah, I think 4 feet is also smaller. We'll just remove this. I think for the room, this whole thing is needs to be bigger. So we'll just move it here, make the rooms bigger. As you can see, this is how it works. Okay, the rooms are bigger. What we'll do is we'll make this into a bigger room. I'm just doing everything approximately right now. I'm not actually thinking about calculations and stuff. We can do it later. Right now, we just have to build the wall altogether. So this is one attached bathroom. It is preferred that you do the same thing on the other side because all of it should be together mostly. When it comes to attached bathrooms, when the rooms are attached, it is better to put the bathrooms attached as well. So now the rooms have been configured. We need a kitchen, right? Okay. Oh, we need a car park also. Let's just put the car park here. You know, let this be the entrance. I will just come back to configure this, but let me just put it as called as something else. It's landing. Okay, this is a room. Let's just put the kitchen in the back side. Since it's an open kitchen, there is nothing going to be here anyway. So we'll just start building the house. We select all of this and we put the thickness at 9. So all the walls have been built for this. Usually the walls separating uh, the room and the bathroom is usually different. So we'll just reduce the wall size here. And in the car park, there is not supposed to be a wall blocking. So we'll just change this into an invisible wall. That needs to be, so once this has been configured, we'll just have to work out the So walls, this is how we build a room. It's just easy. Right now it just says that, whatever because the whole plot area is 1194. So there are 6 rooms. This is including the attached bathroom and everything, and the perimeter, the walls, everything is shown to you. Once that is done, we will implement doors, right? Well, the doors, this is opening, it's called as opening. First, we'll just put the double door in the entrance. Uh, and you have, these are all the different options for doors. And once that is done, we'll just come to the single door, which comes for the room and the attached bathrooms, right? Once that is done, there has to be an exit to the house, which is also a double. I'll put it here and go in. As you can see, the width has to be almost 90, right? And single door has to be 50. Let's just say 55, 55, 55, and we have 55. The back, we entered about 90, I think. 90. So yeah, we'll just put it here, the corner, this one in the middle. No, actually, we'll just push it here, here. Okay, so now all the doors are configured. Now we need to build windows. Yeah. So we'll just come to window. Let's select sliding window. Yeah. Just do 2 sliding windows here. 2 sliding windows here. Let's make it 3 and swing windows here, 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 and here. Since it's a car parking area, we just put it here. All right. Now we'll configure the windows. This one, let's just say, yeah, we'll put it 55. 55 and 55, right? And here we'll just do 95. Five. All right. This is a button that fits the screen in a proper place. Now we have a built floor plan. Most of this stuff. So we'll just put it as all. We can actually do an invisible wall here, which says yeah. So we'll just make this visible wall. This is kitchen, hall, bedroom, one dash bathroom, one, two, sorry, this is two, 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 and car park. So once a floor plan is done, there are a few things that you can actually do with this. You can export it, the whole thing. You have symbol sets, uh, which you can use. This is a kitchen island thing. Just say this is the kitchen island. Just put it in the kitchen. The names are a little bit not right, so don't mind too much about that. And like this, and I think there are beds. The text need to be overlaid. Yeah, things like that. You can also check, put a car in the car parking, I guess. Okay. Looks like I haven't added cars in here. Anyways, once that is done, let's just build. There is another thing. Yeah, with what three? This. Oh, this. Just put a stairs somewhere outside. Do stairs. There is no car parking or cars in the symbol set. That I will actually add it later. Once that is done, we can actually go here. You can see what are all the different options that can be enabled. You can just disable layers. These are the different layers that there. You can also see outer measurements. You can just delete the measurement lines if you don't want it. You can actually see the different measurements for the whole thing. This does not come on the exports. So yeah, this is a single floor done. You can also add another floor. It's like, oh, this is the first. Once that is done, you can actually see in properties. You can actually select this floor reference. It will show you a reference of the floor, the other floors. If it is a multi-story building, you will still be able to see the reference of other floors. This is basically to build a wall. If you want to build another room, let's just say there is a another room on top with the same specification as the other one. Let's just build one right now. Uh, right. So this is basically done. Uh, these are all different dimensional things that you can do with the floor. And what we'll do is like we did previously, we'll just change the wall sizes. And now we're done a basic floor plan, which is been done very easily. So we have a 3D mode. We go here, as you can see. Uh, Apparently, I didn't write this properly because the stairs is blocking the view of the window. I will just find out if there is a better place to place the stairs. I think there is a place here, but you know what? Remove this. We'll just put the stairs, L-shaped stairs. Yeah, here. Yeah, this works good enough. It blocks a little bit, but it is not a problem. Once this is done in the 3D view, you can actually select stacked floors, which also shows the other floor, and there is a terraced roof, right? This is not closing the terrace on this. Yeah, we'll fix that. That's not a problem. So once these two things are done, you can just go back and we'll just export it. Export without watermark and PDF to scale. And now you have a proper floor plan as a PDF. You can actually export it as a DXF, which is a 2D map for CAD. There is also something called as marketing. All these cost credits, by the way. A single export without watermark will cost you 1 credit, and the marketing PDF, since it's designed with both 2D and 3D, which is the plans, will cost you 5 credits, right? Yeah, this is how the marketing PDF will look. Anyways, this is the whole product, tiny floor plan. I hope you like it. I hope you use it to your fullest to build whatever you want to build on this platform. If you need any help, you can just send an email to support@tinyfloorplan.com or use the contact us page to send us whatever the problem is, and we'll fix it as soon as possible because we're dedicating our full time into this. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. See you later in the next one.